What's good? With another video right here in my uncle's house. I had to sleep over. As you can see, my uncle's house is a trash because of those dogs and the puppies. The puppies. The puppies. See those puppies? Also other puppy. That's Nicole. And that's Jay. Those are his puppies. Trying to get some milk. Look at all the mess. Right there is my school. Right there. Guys, want me to go play something on my school? I could do that too. It's on my bikes. So yeah, this is my kitchen. There's the hallway to all rooms. This is the living room. There's my other phone. Yeah, it's a creepy baby. This is my brother. Say hi. Hey. Say hi. Hi. You guys gotta check out. guys have to check out his YouTube channel. Please. You guys have Porfiro Ortiz. And so yeah, Porfiro Ortiz and Jafet Reyes and Dearly Dark Link. So yeah. So because they need more like subscribers, I think, please make them happy for themselves. So yeah. I don't know if I should go to the park without permission. One day I did that and I never got even in trouble. Triple kill, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I could see myself in the mirror. So yeah, I could see myself in the mirror. He is watching Wolfie Raps. He's watching to old video. You guys know him. He's like a guy with David. Forgot. But same as Wolfie Raps. So yeah, that's my soccer ball. Hope you guys enjoying the video that I'm making. I'm gonna make one today. Go to the park and I'm gonna play something you guys want me to do. Alright? I'm just making sure. Oh my god. Look at all those puppies. Oh my god, they're digging for that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. There's my Ruby, my cousin, and Manuel. Who else can I show you from my family? There's Crystal, Victor, and Ezra. So yeah, that's all my family and my uncle, my tío. His name is Rodrigo. So yeah, it's my backpack. It's my brother from another mother. So I said so. Let's go more right here. Guys, there's a light on. I have to shut up because the thing is sleeping. So yeah, that's my YouTube channel. Hope you guys join this video. I'm gonna make 2 videos today or 3 if you guys want me to make 3 videos. Peace on the streets. So I'm playing. Could be that from BF's girlfriend. Maybe. Peace. See you guys later. Alligator. Hey, shut up. It's my YouTube channel.